Playing better. We've been saying this. And a great European Open.
Yeah, good break off there.
Definitely one you have to knock down, right, JJ?
Yeah, and, you know, to be honest, when watching him practice, he wasn't sure about a lot of balls. You know, it seemed like, something that was, not even a 50-50 ball, you'd say somewhere around 80-20 even. Probably as mental as any game out there, any sport.
You just punch out one rail. Yesterday evening, he was real solid with it. And there you see it a little bit again. So maybe a little bit of fatigue. It's also built into an injury that he was telling us about.
Nice for him to open with a break and run here. Looking for a comfortable win or two. Because even the ones they have gotten haven't been the easiest, it seems. 2 match. 9 down, break and run for Sanjin. AJ up next to break. Really good break off there. 2 balls got kissed on the lower end, only the 2 really escaping up the table. Of course, he's not hitting them as hard as some others, not his opponent or several in the event, but when you can't put as much speed, it seems like those kisses maybe happen a little more often around the racking areas. I just got to get into this a little bit. Yeah, I was a little worried about the hook on the ball.
It's a lot.
Friendly roll.
It's safe. Maybe fluke something in.
I like this route better. I think he was looking at the bottom rail at first, and I think this was may not work out, but I think percentage-wise a better play to the long rail.
Can he bank it to the lower right?
Yeah, sure can. Follow up the left rail.
The cue ball, that kind of reverses the object ball. Now he really had to get into it, but still used a top ball, so great shot by Manis.
Thicker, that's why the 5 moved down the table quite a bit.
Shouldn't be a problem. Punched that back a little more than expected.
Smashing break. 2's going to be open. Got a 3-6 combination on the lower left.
His opponent, Manis, after the break, quite a bit different. Yeah, there's really nothing. It's going to slow him down here. Actually, probably better to be thinner on the 5. Yeah, like so, versus heavy. Yeah, I like the decision coming all the way around. It ensures a good look at the brown.
Here light of his mark, so he's got to work the cue ball. Yeah, his speed looks good. So. Around the golden. Looked like it was going to be golden for him, but quite the opposite. It may set up a 3-9 combination.
Trying to figure out the best way to get to the 3. Here it's all, once again, about the speed of the cue ball. This is going to be all right. Ideal. Not as good as you can do. On another golden break to the top left, JJ.
Yeah, cue ball got, I'm sorry, the 9 ball got smacked by the cue ball and then again by the 8, was it? It just kind of, yeah, cut it up in the corner. Well, wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. 2 golden breaks and a 4-1 lead and a break and run. Yeah, I think, see his talent, of course. I love having him here, AJ. But he's seen a lot, right? And these races to 5, I think, a lot of different score lines, some close matches, some hills, golden breaks.
So thin that the side pocket was missed by probably around 3 ball widths. Did he get too thin here where he's got to deal with the 5?
Go by the 7, that would help. It does have the lower right. Depends on how he dresses up on the red 3. Looks good.
You can see how tight this is here.
It's a little fortunate that this didn't get tied up. It is a kiss shot that's playable. And he had to just sliver the 7, really, to hit the 7 and still pocket the ball. I wouldn't try to come 2 here. I hate to overrun. It's okay, though. He's in such good shape on the purple. Yeah, I like him just killing it here. Now he's going to have to play with a little bit of touch.
Yeah, that's perfect. Performing magic tricks. He's here managing AJ Manis. Just did one with me. He's, yes, one of the best 3 in the world at magic. Blowing my mind about 25 minutes ago.
Looks like everyone's fairly astonished over there.
He is good. So is Sanjin tonight.
Yeah, this isn't a hanger, though. A little awkward cueing. You can see the bridge hand. Wants to thump it, right? But just kind of clean, I think.
Seems like he's having a hard time getting settled as well, Jay.
Well, this will satisfy that crowd that showed up